today I am away from my regular kitchen, but I want to try to make a cheesecake. So I have some keto graham crackers that I made on a prior occasion. I'm going to crush them to a fine crumb in this food processor. And then I'm going to add in brown sugar. I've already added in a pinch of salt, and I will be adding in melted butter. I have prepared a 6.5 inch by 3 inch springform pan. I've lined the bottom with parchment paper, and I have covered the sides with aluminum foil, hopefully to keep any of the mixture from seeping out. Now here I have mixed the graham crackers, the sea salt, and the butter. And what I'm going to do is take this mixture and press it into the bottom of my springform pan. What I've done is taken the graham cracker mix and pressed it into the bottom of this pan and up along the sides. What I'm going to do now is put it in the freezer while I prepare the cheesecake batter mix. To make the cheesecake batter, I have in my beater bowl a pound of softened cream cheese. And I'm just going to blend this cream cheese until it's smooth. Now to the whipped cream cheese, I'm going to add 2/3 of a cup of powdered erythritol. I'm going to just scrape down the edges, make sure that everything in the bottom and on the sides are being blended in. I have to be careful not to over whip it because it might add too much air into the mix. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of vanilla, I'm going to add in a quarter of a cup of lemon juice. Once again, I'm going to scrape down the sides of the bowl. I'm going to add the eggs in one at a time, waiting until each one is incorporated. Once again, I'm going to scrape down the sides of the bowl. I have started preheating my oven. And the last ingredient I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. I have removed the graham cracker crust from the freezer. My cream cheese mix, just going to once again scrape it down. I'm going to pour this mix into my graham cracker shell. I've used a couple of recipes to make this particular cheesecake. So my cheesecake is ready to go in the oven. As soon as the oven has preheated, I will put the cheesecake into the oven and I'll get back to you when I pull it out. I have baked the cheesecake for an hour at 325. Additionally, I let the cheesecake sit in the oven for half an hour with the door open. Now I'm going to let it sit here on the counter until it comes to room temperature. And after it comes to room temperature, I will put it in the refrigerator until tomorrow. It's morning and it's time for me to unveil my cheesecake, which has been in the refrigerator overnight. It looks nice and solid, and you can see why it's necessary to put foil paper on the bottom to protect your oven. And now I'm going to release the spring. Very carefully lift that off. As you can see, some of the crust that I put up along the side, I am going to lift this off. And I have prepared this plate. I've decided to cover it with chocolate. I have a chocolate ganache, and basically I'm just going to pour it on. I love so much about keto desserts is that they are good for breakfast. I'm going to remove my strips that I basically use just to keep the plate clean. I love to say, bon appetit. Bye.